Hey guys, good morning. It is around 7 o'clock and my kids just went off to school. My husband went to go drop them off and I look like a hot mess right now because I just woke up not that long ago and I need to put on my workout clothes because I'm gonna jog on the treadmill for a little bit before my daughter wakes up, and I have a couple of chores that I need to do today. I have to wash the towels. I always wash them on Monday, and on Mondays is when I usually clean the restroom, so that's what I'm going to do today. And I thought that I would take you guys along with me and just do a day in the life. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready. So while the towels are washing, I'm gonna go ahead and get on the treadmill and try to jog for a little bit to get some exercise in for the day. And when I'm done exercising, hopefully the towels will be just about almost finished washing, and then I can put those in the dryer. And after that, I'm going to start cleaning the restrooms, and I'm gonna show you guys my to-do list for the day as well. So I need to hurry up before my kiddo wakes up though, otherwise I won't be able to jog. So, or not really jog, more like walk on the treadmill. So let me hurry up and get to that. And I also actually forgot to mention to you guys that when I walk on the treadmill or jog, I usually like to watch something on Hulu or Netflix, and like an episode of a show that I like, and I'll try to watch at least 2 episodes and jog for that amount of time, just to keep my mind occupied and not thinking about the fact that I'm actually exercising. So it just kind of helps the time to go by faster. So this is the chore list for the month of December, and today is Monday, so I have to clean the restrooms as part of my daily chores. And this week we are in zone 3, which is focusing on detail cleaning the bathroom. And today is Monday, and so I need to clean out my makeup drawer, and that's all I have to do for today. Towels are done. Now I have to put them away. Okay guys, so I'm gonna clean the restroom now. I already made my sink scrub that I like to make. And like I said, this video is in my playlist if you guys are interested in checking that out. And basically what I'm gonna do is just clean the sink, the countertops, and then I'm going to clean the toilet and take out the trash today. and I have to do that in the downstairs restroom, and then I have 2 more restrooms upstairs that I also have to clean. This is what I usually use to clean the restroom with. I have some scrubbers to just scrub down the bathtub and the shower, and then I have a toothbrush to get into the grout or around the sink. And I like to use the Method Daily Granite Cleaner just to clean off the countertops, because the countertops that we have in our restrooms are granite. And I also like to use the 7th generation toilet bowl cleaner. And today, just because I already have it on hand, I'm going to use the 7th generation glass cleaner. And then here's my sponge to clean the sink. That's all I'm going to use to clean the restrooms. So my birthday was on Sunday, which was yesterday, and I just wanted to show you guys these really beautiful bouquet of flowers that my mom got me for my birthday. She surprised me with them. I just thought they were so pretty. Here's the cake that we ate yesterday, and it only has birthday and Becky on it. It was a big cake. I can't believe we ate all that. Well, mostly the kids anyway. So I went ahead and finished up cleaning the restroom. So the chores for today are done, and I finished cleaning out the makeup drawers. So zone cleaning is checked off the list as well. I do have to tidy up the kitchen a little bit because we just finished eating a late lunch, and my husband went to go pick up the boys from school, and before we ate lunch we had stopped by HEB to get a few things that we needed, like bread and eggs and that kind of stuff. So what was I gonna tell y'all? Yeah, so whenever I was cleaning out my makeup drawer, my battery died for my camera, so I couldn't take you guys with me to the grocery store, otherwise I would have, and sorry about that. So that happens. I should have charged my battery before I started filming, and that wouldn't have happened. So I still have to fold the laundry that's in the dryer, and I need to put away the groceries that I still have right here. This is real life, what the kitchen looks like. I need to put these dishes away, and I need to wash all of this, and I need to clean up the table from lunch. So the kitchen's finally clean, and I got the groceries put away. I wiped off the countertops and took the trash out, and the little table's clean again. My son is practicing piano. He has a lesson in a couple of days, and he has to memorize his notes. say hi to everybody?
Say.
Hi, Sebastian. Hey, boy. So the kids just finished up their homework and they're eating their pizza right now. And everything is winding down. And I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. And I thank you guys so much for joining me today and cleaning along with me and getting chores done. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and I can't wait to see you on the next one. Bye!